Hey everyone, welcome back again. So I've been working on the interior, the seat. It took me like 2 weeks and I'm done. I'm glad I'm done. I don't ever want to do another seat again for a long time. It didn't turn out nearly as good as I wanted, yet I tried as hard as possible. For what my skill level, it would be so nice just to train with someone, or the seat design as well. The way I was trying to do it was trying to hide what it should have been 2 buckets into a bench. Not happy. It's about 60% roughly of where I thought it would be. I had dreams of being like, turning out really nice. Fat Lucky would have been my top line, what I would love to look like. And no, it don't look anything like that at all. It's passable, and some days I look at it and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm happy. The other days I start really looking at it and it's not too good. I don't even think I'm going to show you it until it's in the car where you can't see a lot of the sins. But before I get the seat in, I got to finish up a little bit of wiring, which is just the battery, a couple fuses for the fuel pumper. I didn't want to put it in there until I was really ready, but once the heat seat gets in there, I don't want to take that thing out. The other thing I got was this battery charger. I think it goes to like 3 point whatever amps, volts, something like that. 3.5 amps. So I'm gonna pre-wire this into the car and have the little cord hidden in there. So if the battery ever needs charging, anything like that, I have a hidden little panel in the trunk. It'll all be white upholstery in there as well. You'll pull it off and then the cable will be right in there to charge it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Get a little bit of wiring done. Maybe I'll show you the seat. Maybe not. I don't know. This is inside the car. It's my fuel tank, my wiring. These right here are the relays for the fuel pump, as well as the heated seats. Another heated seat relay over here, and the wiring. Over there, that's where the battery is going to sit. Back in there is the battery turn off. It's on the negative side of everything. Got a little jack hidden in here. And all my negatives come all to one point. Actually, 2 points in the entire car. They're all 2 separate points. So if anything goes wrong, that's where I can test. Back in here, I upholstered this as well. I got to make like a little cap, like a little aluminum cap to go around there, just to finish it off nicer in here. Right here, that is the main turn off for all the electricity is just right here for the car. That way I can even, lock it up, turn it off. If you want to steal my car, that's where it is. Yeah. And then I got to make the carpet as well. Do one more bleed of the brakes in the front because I put the line lock in there. And I haven't bled the brakes after that. Line lock works though. And this is the little button for the line lock. I hid tubing all in here, and then just put the wiring from there to there. So let's go to, and it's not to like do burnouts or anything like that. It's mostly just for hills or who knows, I might do a burnout. And this is the quick release. While it's off, I could show you right now. It's Chris Chassis Works or something like that. I got this good thing and adapted it to like the 51, 52 Ford steering column. Yeah. Oh, and the heated seat buttons. They're right there. Right underneath there. All right. That's my project for today. Well, I got it wired in there. I tried making it really because you're not going to be able to ever see any of this. I want to make sure it's really secure.
nothing's going to be rubbing, so I put on this plastic coating covering over everything, taped it up there, zip tied as well, everything. It's not the prettiest, but I feel safe with it being behind there. Have it all strapped down, as well as back here, that is the battery shut off right here. So this lead from the ground battery to this side, it's where I put the negative off the battery charger to. So when I turn off the car, it's right there. As well as just easier if I ever had to change anything, I could take this negative ground off by itself without another wire. Got the fuse in there, and then this is where it all hooks in right here. So there'll be a covering panel right here. You'll pull that off. It just held on with magnets, and that's where the little charger is. All right, so that's it for this episode. I think next I'm gonna just screw down the floor, just the sheet metal. I gotta bleed the brakes one more time, just make sure everything's out, and then put on the underlay of the carpet, and then start working on the carpet. Ooh, it's getting there. In the future, I'm gonna say where I'm gonna probably debut it. We'll see. There's a whole thing going on here. I haven't revealed it yet, but there's a reason why I'm going to debut it at a certain area. And in the next couple weeks, I will tell you what's going on. All right. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And have a good day. See ya.